Hi, I'm Jen. This is Andy, and this is Luna. Say hi, Luna. We wanted to take a second and say thank you for all the love and support on Luna's ramp video. We got a lot of comments and likes and messages and shares, and a lot of people asked how Andy built the ramp so that more people can do it for their CH kitties. So I'm going to let Andy tell you how he built that. Go ahead.
All right, super easy. If you go, first thing you need to do is measure your stairs. And if you notice, it goes from the ground to your top stair. If you make it too long, it's a tripping hazard when you're coming down the stairs. We ran into that a couple times in the night. So you just want to make sure it's tailored to your stairs. Once you have that measurement, if you have 3 runs of your stairs, whatever it is, you just need that number. And then go to Home Depot, have them rip down 3/4 inch plywood. And the wood is just 2 parts. If you see this, that's a cat. This would be your 6-inch piece of wood, and there's your other 6-inch piece of wood. When you have this measurement, you just carpet it with like a short nap carpet, using staples or screws to hold it down, or glue or carpet tape, whatever you got. And then this right here, what we did is this piece of carpet is 16 inches, and because you want to exceed the wood a little bit, so if their chin or their face hits the carpet, it's kind of cushy instead of just wood with a thin piece of carpet on it. So this piece of carpet right here was 16 inches, so I just made a long strip. And what I did is I had the wood, the carpet, and then the wood, and this was just floating in the breeze. Screwed the wood into the plank, and then once that was secured on there, I folded this over and just tacked the outside all the way up the road. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's pretty easy.
And I want to mention too that we had to figure out how tall and wide Luna was in order to make the ramp custom for her. So depending on how tall and wide your cat is, you have to make sure and measure this part here and this part here were suited to fit her size.
And what we kind of did was made the highest point of the carpet just over her shoulder, so she could still see out a little bit, but she didn't run the risk of toppling right out, because she does that sometimes.
And how did you attach the ramp to your stairs?
There is just a 2-inch screw that goes right through the deck of the ramp into the top tread of your stair, and then down here it goes directly into the ground. It's going to mess up your stairs a little bit, but whatever.
It's worth it.
And I would suggest deck screws, because if you're using plywood is it's hard to grip when you're screwing into end grain. So if you use deck screws, they have little barbs on them that makes it pretty cool. Deckmate is the kind that we use, and they sell those at Home Depot. And for going into the size, what I used was 1 5/8 inches. And then to the ramp down to the stairs, it was 2 inches. So that's all I know.
So hopefully that answers some of your questions. Is that all we got?
As far as I know.
All right. Thanks for watching, and thanks for all the love. And if you have any more questions, you can message me on Facebook. You can also get a hold of us on YouTube at Luna the Space Pirate. Thanks.